Imagine this scenario. You have spent weeks gathering data, conducting experiments, or composing your research topic. But when it comes to writing your results or shaping them coherently, you stay stuck. Each phrase, every argument seems like a labyrinth, a mountain that you don't know how to climb. And then you wonder, wouldn't there be an easier way to organize my ideas and give it clarity? What you may not know is that there is a tool that could change everything. Would you like to meet an assistant who can help you write better, faster, and with more confidence? Let me introduce you to SS, the Space and the Writer, a platform designed specifically for those, like you, who need to structure and shape their research. With SciSpace, you will not only have access to tools that will help you create schematics, improve the grammar, or even paraphrase to improve originality, but you will be able to translate and adjust your text in a matter of minutes. Hello. Welcome,
Welcome to our Educational Counseling YouTube channel. Subscribe and ring the bell to receive notifications every time we publish a new video in our series, and let's get started.
You imagine being able to structure your research article in a few clicks, improve it grammatically, and generate opposing arguments to strengthen your work with SciSpace. This is possible, but wait, that's not all. SciSpace doesn't just help you write better, but you can also paraphrase with a single click, ensuring that each sentence is clear and unique. Additionally, if you're working with international research, you have the option of translating your text into multiple languages, allowing you to share your work with a global audience. And it doesn't matter if you prefer to work in Excel or SPSS Space, integrates perfectly with other resources you already use. Also, save yourself time and frustration. Everything you need to improve your academic writing is here in one place. Now I know what you're thinking. This sounds great, but is it really that easy? Don't worry, the best is yet to come. In a few moments, I will show you how you can access all these tools in a faster and more efficient way than you thought possible. All this is part of the complete package that SS offers.
eSpace 2.
Dear writer, if you've ever felt overwhelmed by academic writing or spent countless hours struggling with grammar or essay structure, this is your opportunity to change everything with the help of SS.
SciSpace AI Writer.
You will have everything you need to write better and faster. Now let's dive into detailed examples that will enhance your understanding of this tool, shall we?
Let's now see a practical example of using SciSpace's Writer. In the description of the video, I leave you the link to access IA Writer. It's a text editor that incorporates artificial intelligence to help us write our projects to use it.
We click on the Start Writing button. The text editor appears that contains a group of functionalities related to the format of our text. For example, text alignment allows inserting bullets and numbering. You can put our text in bold, italic, underlined, etc. For our example, we are going to paste here our text that talks about the climate impact on biodiversity in the upper right. We must choose the language. In this case, Spanish is chosen. Then we have our text pasted or written directly here. In the end, notice the editor, the IA, is suggesting that we expand our text. What he suggests appears in one color. Morph.
So, if we tell him, accept the suggestion or hit the tab key, he incorporates his suggestion into our text. This does so automatically without us having chosen anything for him at the publisher. If we choose an writer, a menu appears here that says continue writing with citations. We can also write the introduction, write the conclusions, write arguments on our page.
Mr. Opposition. Greetings.
That we have written, we are going to tell him to write some conclusions. Here is artificial intelligence and it has already given us a result very quickly. Look, can we say yes? Up to this point, our artificial intelligence has written us with
quotes, but
if we choose to continue writing with quotes here, artificial intelligence has already written to us. If we tell him to accept here, we are going to leave the spaces and a quote will be added to us. And it offers us, in the quote button, it offers us a group of references that talk about the climate impact. For example, let's choose this one that is from 2021, and that talks about the increase in temperature. He incorporated the quote in APA format. If we click on our quote, we can edit it, delete it, or we can go to our original document. Here we see the original document where the quote is located. Maybe that we ask you to do the ASTRAP or summary that makes us the conclusions of the results, methods used in our article, and a group of other parts of our document. Here, we see the original PDF of that quote. We can expand it to full screen. We can download it, ask questions regarding this paper or this article. We can ask questions, for example, regarding the limitations of the paper, a practical explanation of the implications of this research, the methods used, the results, the conclusions, the summary, etc. These are questions that they have asked about this paper. We can ask our own questions, and we can choose using artificial intelligence here, a brainstorming for our questions. Has he already proposed to us 5 possible questions that refer to this research? For example, what interaction can exist between temperature and species because they are affected by climate change, species, etc. A group of questions we can ask about this research that go with our article.
Let's see an example. How does it impact?
The increase in temperature in fish diversity. Notice that since we have written that our language is Spanish, he answers it to us in Spanish. We could, for example, select these results, copy and paste it into our paper, make modifications to this, and so on. Notice that. The quote that he incorporated also put the reference in APA style. We can choose different styles of citations. We are going to leave the APA style in this case. And well, in general, we can write ideas or write our complete article as we have it, and he, in any case, based on our ideas, offers us quotes and references that we can use. He can incorporate new information, which can be in the introduction, in the conclusions of what we have written, or he gradually incorporates information from where we stay writing this information that he incorporates. It can also be incorporated already with infected citations. And in the quotes that he inserts, as you can see, we can access the reference information. Ask questions about that information, even if the information is in another language. He is going to respond to us in the language we have chosen here. At the top right, in the free version, there is a word limit that he is going to offer you each day, and you would have to wait 24 hours to reset. This amount of words are started again. But in the paid version of the platform, it is unlimited. In addition, the aid is more extensive, etc. We can also export this document in Word format, and as you can see, it exports the document as it is written in this SCI editor.
Space, and here's the best. Now you can access all of these functions using my special discount coupon for you. If you subscribe now using my link, you can save big on the annual plan. What are you waiting for? Additionally, subscribing now will give you access to more tools such as PDF chat, literature reviews, automatic citation generation, and much more. Don't miss this opportunity to improve your writing and advance faster in your research. Like this. What are you waiting for? If you are in the degree phase or work in data analysis, SciSpace will be your best ally. Subscribe today, save with my code, and start transforming your research. Remember, your ideas deserve to be presented in the best possible way, and with SciSpace, that's just what you'll get. And our topic today?
See you in the next video. If you liked our content, subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to receive notifications of the next videos in this series, and leave us in the comments what content you want to see or any questions about the content of this video.